Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer is a designed hot air brush to deliver gorgeous volume and brilliant shine in a single step. The unique oval brush designs smooth hair, while the rounded edges quickly create volume at the root and beautifully full-bodied bends at the ends in a single pass for salon blowouts at home. The brush is designed with nylon pin and tufted bristles for detangling, improved volume and control. Styling flexibility is guaranteed with 3 heat speed settings and a cool option, built to provide just the right amount of heat. Unlike conventional hair dryers, this volumizer can be placed closer to the scalp for lift. Boosted by ionic technology through a built-in genuine ion generator, hair dries fast and helps reduce heat damage. The one-step unit is designed for 120V USA outlets only. We do not recommend use of a voltage converter as it will damage the unit. Safety first. The Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer meets US safety requirements and proudly features the ETL certification seal. Additional information: heat speed settings, 3 heat speed settings for styling flexibility, wattage, 1100 watt power feature, ionic technology for fast, silky smooth results. Most useful for every kind of hair. Non-detachable brush head directions, for faster results. Towel dry hair to remove excess water. Separate hair into manageable sections. Can be used for smooth blowouts, voluminous blowouts, and to curl the ends of your hair. Precautions: if any malfunction occurs, do not attempt to repair it. This appliance has no user serviceable parts. Item weight: 1.8 pound. Note: if you need 220V or for other counties, please check Amazon in the country for the correct voltage and plug. New, 4-year limited warranty. Non-detachable brush head.
Looking for salon-worthy blowouts? Try the One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer to dry and add body. The unique oval design is perfect for extra lift at the roots and smooth curled ends in up to half the time. One-step styling and gorgeous